Welcome to all. So now we are going to discuss about the network application Wireshark. Here is the application. So once you before you need to install this before you need to use this application, you must install in your device. So right now once I opened the application, it listed the number of interfaces which is available. So right now the Ethernet 2 and Ethernet 1 is working, and the local area network and adapter for loopback traffic capture. So these 4 services are available in my device. So in the Ethernet 2 I have an internet connection, so that's why I go with the Ethernet 2. So here once I enter into the Ethernet 2, it's ready to capture the packets. So what is the purpose of this application? Which means that it going to capture the packet, how many packet which is transmitting from source to destination. Based on that it is works. So right now here I'm go with command prompt as administrator mode. Okay, go to the command prompt and administrator mode. So right now okay, so here it is a stop and start. Okay, this is it, this key it means a start capture. Okay, after you start it you can stop it here. So I'd go with ping okay, cisco.com. I have entered it. So right now I'm going to start it from beginning. Okay, so which help us to understand what is going on right now. So here now I entered it, so it's ready to ping it. So I perfectly connected, so you can see it. So every single packet which is transmitting from my device to the receiver, everything is perfectly captured. So right now I think it's enough. I think it's enough for us. So here this is a list of packets which transmitted from my device to the receiver. So you can see the number of protocols. Okay, you see the protocol. So right now I go with the TCP protocol. Here once I click it, it will expand the protocol layer by layer information. You can see the first frame, so frames which is used in a data link layer. So here the frame number 8, the 54 bytes of the wire. So the section number is a 1, interface ID, detail, encapsulation type Ethernet 1, arrival time, and UTC arrival time. Every nook and corner information is detailed here. So time shift for the packet. So here this is even the milliseconds level it is calculator. And go the frame number. So this is a frame sequence number. So once I click it, so it shows you the relevant information in that. So the frame number, with the help of the frame number, the receiver can identify the how many frames which is missed from sender to the receiver, and the frame length for 54 bytes capture length, and here some other informations or coloring tool. So next one is the Ethernet, that's a network layer. In this network layer which refers the information of IPv6 address here. Okay, so once I clicked it, it will highlight the relevant field. So this is actual the data which transmitted to the receiver. Okay, so the destination address and source here, the source address is here and destination address is there, and the what type IPv4, and then internet protocol version 4 which is used, and the total length 40. So you can see it header checksum unverified. So what is the purpose of header checksum? Need to understood if the given packet or a given PDU, protocol data unit, which is corrupted or not. So those kind of information which stored in that. So here you see the source IP address and the destination IP address. Okay, and the transmission control protocol. So the source port number and destination port number, sequence number 51, acknowledgement 50. So each and every single one of the information which detailedly listed here. Okay, so that's it. Okay, so with the help of this we can easily understood it. So to learn it, okay, for example, the network engineer need to identify the problem in a network, and if the system is slow, so with the help of this Wireshark application we can easily identify it. So we can determine the security problems and so on, so informations within it. So here the start and stops. Right now we are captured the number of packets listed here. So we have a many number of interfaces which is available, so you can go through it one by one. Okay, here you have a list of statistics. For example, if I want the statistics for DNS, here I can go with the statistics for DNS. Okay, domain name service, and here I need a TCP stream time sequences. So it shows as the, so there is no, it's not available for this traffic. Okay, throughput level, here it's not available also. Okay, here you see that the throughput level it's available. So the statistics which you want based on your application, you can go with the statistics information. So that's okay. So right now we need to analyze in deeper. Okay, how to analyze in here? Go to there and export specific packet, but right now I go to export it as a CSV file. Okay, so I'm going to store it, the name, and export it as a CSV file. Here is the file of it. Okay, so now it's opening. Yeah, it's opened. Okay, so here we have the file, so the exact information of entire thing. Okay, so now we can detailedly analyze it bit packet by packet. Okay, so right now I go with it and okay, put it the filter. Okay, so right now the filter here, the source IP address, I can sort it source IP address. So which is your source IP address? Okay, based on, you can filter it. For example, from the source IP I can filter it the source IP. Okay, it listed how many packet transmitted from this IP. Okay, and next one, here I can here how many protocols is used: ARP, TCP, and TLSP1 protocol. So what is the purpose of ARP? ARP protocol is for address resolution protocol, to identify who is the receiver. So here you see that. Okay, the ARP protocol which transmitted from the sender to the receiver as a broadcast packet. Here you see that. So this is what who is a receiver, to identify the receiver identity. So that's a ARP protocol. So here in a TCP protocol, you go with the TCP protocol. It gives you the information detailedly one by step by step. Okay, it's a sequence number and acknowledgement, packet number, and how many, what is the length of the given packet, the each and every single one of the information which transmitted from them. This is what the time, which means when you get start to capture it. Okay, so here, so this is the first second, so within a what it's break it down the second, single second, it's break it down the multiple number of fractions. Okay, so I hope you understand what is the purpose of Wireshark. Okay, get practice it, right? If you have any doubt, okay, you can ask me.